Welcome to Simply Fleet. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add a new vehicle to your fleet, step by step. Let's get started.
First, click on the Add New Vehicle button. You'll see a form with several fields to fill out. Start by entering the vehicle name, make, and model. These fields are mandatory, so make sure to fill them out accurately. Next, let's choose the vehicle type. You can select an existing type from the drop-down, or if you have a specific category in mind, you can create a new one. This is important as it helps you categorize your vehicles effectively. Now, assign a group to the vehicle. For this example, we'll choose a location group, but you can add groups based on your organizational needs. Grouping helps in managing vehicles by their locations or specific teams. You can also go ahead and add the remaining information like license, VIN, fuel type, etc. Let's move to the Vehicle Specs tab. Here, you can add custom specs. This feature allows you to input specific details like part numbers. For instance, we'll add an air filter with a part number as shown. Custom specs make it easier to manage parts and maintenance schedules unique to your vehicle. Next, you can upload important documents related to the vehicle, such as registration or insurance papers. Just click the Upload Document button and select your file. Now, let's assign a driver to this vehicle. This step is crucial because only vehicles assigned to drivers will appear in their mobile app. Assigning drivers ensures they have the information they need on the go. Once you've filled out all the details, you can view the vehicle on the vehicle listing screen. If you have multiple vehicles to add, you can use the Import Vehicles feature to save time. Just prepare your list in the required format, and you're all set. You can also filter vehicles based on custom specs. For example, we can search for the part number we entered earlier, frame XGA8039, by going to More Filters and selecting Custom Specs. This feature makes it easier to find vehicles with specific parts or requirements. And that's how you add a new vehicle in Simply Fleet. For more tutorials and tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.